welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the creative Fabrica, how we prepare our creative Fabrica shops also for the holidays, because whatever online business you're doing, you need to prep yourself for these upcoming holidays to actually make good sales. So today we are going to dive into the creative Fabrica. So let's get started with that. Before going back, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such videos, consider subscribing to the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section and download it. Also, we are soon going to start an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Right now, it's on wait list. Make sure you subscribe to it. It's 100% free. Each and every week when we will going to start with this email newsletter, you're gonna get exclusive content related to making money online, tools, tips and tricks, and all those kind of stuff. So consider subscribing. Let's talk about the creative Fabrica, because I have already made a video talking about how to prep your shops for print on demand. And also for the KDP, I'm going to leave the complete playlist of the holiday videos prepping your shops in the card section above. You can check it out. But today I think I didn't talk about the creative Fabrica and why we need to leave the creative Fabrica behind when we are still selling on. And also I did a poll. I think I did a poll 2 days back, and I asked the people what they are focusing on. Like, more people focusing on the print on demand. There were less people that were focusing on KDP and creative Fabrica. But still, there are some people who are focusing on the creative Fabrica. So I thought that it's the best to help those people as well to actually get the good sales in this holidays that would be coming soon. And we need to prep ourselves. And this is the last month. September is the last. From the October, there would be the beginning of the holidays. And it will be a little bit late. In fact, it will be more late if you're starting to prep your holidays in the October. So this is the last one. Let's talk about the tips and tricks to help the creative Fabrica income rise in the holiday. The first tip that I have for you is to go for the trends. Look for the trends. The creative Fabrica has a special option where they give you the 30 days search results, 7 days search results, and also 1 day search results. Look for the terms for what people are looking for, what are the keywords, what are the tags people are looking for, and try to make the products related to that particular thing. For example, if you're prepping yourself for the holidays, then obviously you need to make the products, you need to make the graphics, you need to make the illustrations that are related to the holidays, like the Christmas graphics, Christmas illustrations, Halloween, New Year, Thanksgiving, and all the holidays that are coming. Also, you could prepare for the seasons because it's a winter, so you can prep the make the graphics, snowflakes graphics or snowflakes illustration, or somewhat around like the Christmas, because it's in trending, it's a season. Another tip I have for you is optimize your title and tag. Of course, title is there, tag you're getting the 50 keywords, 50 tags. So if you have already uploaded a product, you don't get that facility to update your tags, but you can still update your thumbnails related to the graphics or something like that related to Christmas. For example, if you have uploaded maybe a graphic illustrations, and that could be used in the Christmas as well, so you can upload a more thumbnail, an extra thumbnail to your previous listing, so that people can see that this product is also be applicable for Christmas, and then you can update your listing according to it to get the more sales. Right now, I think that they are only allowing to update the files and update the thumbnails, and for the rest of the things, you need to actually send them an email if you want to update your entire listing. Or if you want to delete your listing, you need to send them an email. So they will going to reply you, and then the procedure happens. For manually, if you want to go in your dashboard and want to edit it, then the file itself, the product file itself, and I think tags, you can also edit it, but not the title. So make sure if you want to actually update your listing completely, then you need to send them an email and tell them that you want to update it, you want to add these things to your listing, so that you can prepare your listing for the upcoming holidays. Because most of the times we think that we need to upload the more products. We need to upload more products and we forget about the products that we already having in our shop. And I think that it's the best time to actually update your listing. If you have uploaded multiple different products in your shop, graphics, illustrations, KDP interiors, whatever it is you have uploaded it and it's already selling in your shop, you could update them, because we forget about the old listing. We are focusing on adding the new instead of renovating the old ones. So this is the best time you could actually renovate the tags, the title, or even the thumbnail, the pictures, that thumbnail picture, so that people can relate it to the Christmas and can get the more sales. Another tip I have for you guys, recently I've been trying a lot with the freebie section, because if you're allowing your product to be as a freebie, people can download them for completely for free without paying. I see that there are the more favorites, there are the more followers that I'm gaining, and in exchange of that I'm getting the more sales. So this is a thing you could do. You could make an illustration related to Christmas or a graphic, whatever it is, and you could put it as a freebie, because right now the people are purchasing for the Christmas, because most of the people who purchase from the Creative Fabrica are the people who are not from design backgrounds, are purchasing these products, or they are downloading these products from the Creative Fabrica to use it in their business, or for personal use, or for KDP, whatever it is they are using for that, and they want to prep their own shops for the holidays right now. So they would be purchasing more graphics, more illustrations from the Creative Fabrica. So add more listing in your shop that is related to the holidays right now, so that those people can download it and they can use it. And you can upload some of your product as a freebie. There is an option when you are uploading the product on the Creative Fabrica, you're getting the option to add your product as a freebie. You just need to check on that checkbox, and then everything is done set for you and your product is live. There is a freebie. Later on, if you want to update the price of the product, you could go on your dashboard of the Creative Fabrica and can make it a paid if you want to go with a paid of that particular product. But either way, this is the best thing, to add your product as a freebie, and so that the people can download it free and you can get the more favorites, more followers, and exchange the more eyeballs in your shop. And those people who have downloaded the freebie, they might download the paid products from your shop as well. So I think that this is the best strategy could you do. It's not just about the holidays. It's you could do is on a routinely monthly basis as well, to actually explode your sales and get the more views and more eyeballs on your shop. Another tip that I have for you guys is, probably you know very well, you need to add more listing related to Christmas. You could upload a banner of your shop related to the Christmas. If you're adding more products to your Christmas, you can name those products, or you can list those product pictures in your banner, in your shop banner. Because when someone is actually coming on your shop, they're gonna see the avatar, your shop avatar, and your banner, and there is a little bit introduction about you, what you're uploading, and all those kind of stuff. You could update them. You can add the specific banner related to the holidays, saying something like get your freebies or get the product specifically for the holidays from my shop, and you could highlight some of your best-selling products related to your shop, which are related to the Christmas, or also showcase your new products that you have specifically uploaded for the Christmas, and you could highlight them in the banner, because they're gonna see the banner when they're gonna land on your shop, and then they're gonna see the products and so on and so forth. So it would be easy for the people to actually see, okay, you have the Christmas related thing in your shop, so they're more likely to actually visit your shop, check the different listings you have, check the different products, and more likely to purchase, and increase the conversion rate as well. So this is an amazing thing. You could also mention in your products, in your banner, as, hey, you can get the freebies from my shop as well. You can get the cool graphics for the Christmas, for the New Year, like something around those corners. You can just test it, which one best suits according to your shop. Another tip I have for you is to have bundles in your shop. Bundles really does amazing. Creative Fabrica makes it really easy for you to add bundle in your shop. What you need to do, you just need to go over to the dashboard and click on to add new bundle. And when you're actually going over to the bundle, you need to upload the separate banners. You could make the banners in the Canva or Photoshop, whatever you use. You could create the product images or banners, and then you need to select the products that you already have in your shop to put them in a bundle, and then you need to select the price. So you could make the bundles related to, for example, you have uploaded the 10 designs related to the Christmas, that the 10 graphics. You could make a bundle around them, and you could upload a bundle on your shop, and then you could have a starting date and end date of your bundle to actually entice more of your customers to buy in that date when it's live, until it's too late and the product is gone. So you could do this type of stuff. Like, I have few of the bundles in my shop. I have tried it, but I haven't tried it with the deadlines. I have my bundles available every time, 24/7. I haven't done it with the timeline, like it's only for 15 days or 10 days, whatever it is. I didn't give it a try, but you could try it. I think that having a bundle is amazing way, because bundle sells more than a single product sales, because people see that there are 100 products in the bundle, 20 products, 50 products, whatever it is. they are more likely to purchase the bundle because it's very cost effective for them as well. And also you could charge more, because if you're charging for a single graphic maybe a $1 for a single graphic, and you have accumulated 100 different graphics into that single bundle, actually the cost of that bundle would be $100, but you could sell it as a $20 or $30, and still you're making good amount of money from that single bundle. And also it would be a good price point for your customer as well to purchase it, because they are getting the 100 graphics only for $30, and if they want to purchase this each and individual graphics, it will cost them $100. So obviously they are saving a lot of amount of money, and you're making a good amount of money per listing that you're having on Creative Fabrica. You don't need to upload the separate files for the bundle, because in the beginning, Fabrica, it started with the bundle option. You used to have upload your bundle product as well as a zip file, and you need to do all those kind of stuff. But now it's become so easy. It's so easy that you just need to check boxes all the products that you already have in your shop to put them into bundle, or whether you want them into be in your bundle or not. You just need to click on that check boxes and they will be going to automatically include it in your bundles. Like, you don't need to add the separate files or separate product files for that bundle again. So that is a good thing, and that is the easy thing that you could do right now. And I think that start trying with the deadlines. Make your product, make your bundle available only for 7 days, for 10 days or something like that, to see actually people buy or purchase your product or not, purchase your bundle or not. Now there are so many tips and tricks that you could be trying with the Creative Fabrica. These are my few tips and tricks that you could try. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Are you selling on Creative Fabrica? What's going on your shop? Or whatever you want to say about the Creative Fabrica, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.